Well, guys, it's Saturday. We're in the shop. Blake's getting some welding done for a local, another local lawn care company. But here in a little bit, we're gonna be getting the truck ready to go. And where we're going?
This is a little bit of how we pay for race car parts.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Y'all know how race car parts cost us. But now we're gonna get the truck ready, and tomorrow morning we're gonna be headed back out to Darlington. We've got a couple of changes that you guys seen, and we're also possibly going to pick up a shifter. That way it'll be a little easier on Blake. But
we're gonna get that 13. I'm pretty sure.
oh yeah, I believe we will. That and we also know how to mess with the timing as well, so that helps out a lot. But yeah, we're gonna get this knocked out, get everything ready for the truck, and we're gonna pick y'all up in Darlington. Let you do it, buddy.
Well, we're doing some race morning mods. Cody's talked me into it. You know, I usually probably wouldn't prefer to work on things right before we go to the drag strip, but he wants to get them shifts crisper, save some time. So we're gonna knock it out so that way when we get up there today, we're getting some good shifts. And,
I don't think we told him about us where we went last night.
Oh yeah, we went and picked up a speed shifter. Ain't it in here?
I think it's in a Toyota.
Oh, we didn't want to leave without it.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab that. Yep, we got us a Hurst short throw shifter. And I want to get, like you said, get those things a lot more crisp for them, but we're gonna get it swapped out this morning, and we definitely, I think, gonna pull us a 13. I'm gonna go ahead and call it.
Yeah, I'm
gotta speak it into its existence.
Some more timing, better tires, shorten up the shifter and all that.
A little more knowledge on tuning it all, like, together.
We should be able to get that 7/10 knocked out of there, because half a second is just in the shifting, probably.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we're gonna get this thing pulled out of here. Fortunately, there's a tunnel that unbolts right here above the trans. We're gonna buzz it off, get the new shifter on, and we'll show you what it looks like when we head to the track. Woo! I love them wheels. Let's go racing, baby.
Well, on fumes, we're coming into the gas station. Luckily, I came to my house, and there's not a diesel gas station, or a gas station that has diesel right there by my house, so I forgot to get some, and I was extremely low. Show them that gas gauge. She started puttering a little bit, but we made it, just barely. Almost ruined race day.
But we're gonna get fueled up and hit the road. How far down the road did we get?
Bro, we made it to the gas station, put $70 worth of diesel in here, and was like, huh, smell a little bit of antifreeze and whatnot. What's that smell? Well, it wasn't antifreeze, first of all. That's why I ended up popping a freeze plug when it got cold the other night. It's crazy because I made it through the 7 degrees the other
I know, right?
snowed and all, which I kept it plugged up during then. But hell yeah, we popped a freeze plug.
Right.
But we got
my light ain't gonna work, but it's the one
right behind that header, but it's not too hard to get to. But I've replaced some of them in the past, but looks like we got another truck coming. We're gonna get my work truck, and we're gonna hook it up. We're gonna get out of here, but slight delay. Well, everybody, we're back in this machine. You know, you hear the ladders rattling, I'm sure. Listen to it go. But just like that, we're off and back at it, headed to the racetrack. We're gonna get this video made for y'all, that's for sure. We're gonna get that 13 today, and we're gonna bring it to you. Well, we made it back at Darlington today. Me and Cody are gonna shoot to get that 13 for y'all. Sounds like we might be one of the first ones going down the track too. We got all the kids here, got the mom here and whatnot. So we're gonna do some racing today though. We'll pick y'all up on the line.
Tell me that's a 13.
I think we need to bleed brakes. But we already got a better time than last time. We got a 14.6 And I was still just feeling them gears, but I definitely had a better shift. Now that I trust that 2 to 3, I'm gonna hit it a little harder. And I still short shifted a little bit. I gotta quit short shifting. So we're gonna bring them RPMs up a little bit higher before the shift. But it sounded good out there and felt really good too. Got a way better lead too. Got a 2.1 instead of a 2.6. So we shaved almost a half a second off there. So probably my short shifting is what lost us some time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get out there. We get that half second back in there or whatever I lost. Unfortunately, they didn't have an 1/8 mile time. I would have really liked to another 1/8 mile time. So we'll see though. We'll pick y'all back up here in just a little bit. Brother, I got some bad news for you.
What?
I was recording, and you know how I've been zooming in right after you take off?
Hit stop.
I hit stop. So I'm terribly sorry.
Oh, no, you're good.
But we're gonna pull up, make one more?
Yeah, you're gonna make it.
Okay.
Rip that thing.
Oh, I'm gonna rip it hard.
Send her out the back.
Oh yeah, I am. We're gonna send her for the 13.
My 60 foot got a little better, but yeah, between 1 and 2, man, I don't know what happened. I just didn't throw it all the way back, and
You still got 91 mile an hour. Out of
yeah,
it.
oh yeah, the overall speed was higher. I think if I wouldn't have missed that shot, I'd have had a lot better pass.
Hey, maybe until both of us get more practice, you stick to camera, I stick to shifting gears.
That'll work. That'll work. I'm gonna pull up in the lane. Gonna pull down for make another hit.
10-4. That's one to go home on. Woo! Hell yeah. Damn right. Nah. Well, best time slip yet. We got a 14.3 at 93.7 mile an hour.
202 to the 60 foot.
I think we're gonna pull just a hair, timing out. I think we got just a smidge too much in it, backfire a little bit. But man, that was a good hit. Shifting gears was clean. I don't know how it sounded on camera, but that was
It sounded good.
Woo, fired up though. We're about to take some timing out. I think Cody's gonna take it down the track, so we'll take that out. don't you stay away. That was a nice run right there. I think I may have messed up just a hair, but we'll see what we get. Thank you. Have a good day. Got a little better, baby. I'm telling you, we could get that 13, but I don't think we're going to force it. That was a 14.28, 94.1 mile an hour. So the best ET, the best mile an hour yet.
What we got?
14.2.
14.2, almost.
I told him we could sit here and keep wiggling it down, but we're probably just going to load it up and call it a day. And then we're about, y'all, we'll get some videos out of us putting the sniper on and some other stuff. So
There you go.
we'll pick y'all up on at the trailer.
All right, guys, we got the old race truck on the trailer. We're headed back towards Charleston. It was a great day out there racing today, man. It felt good. The weather was great. The truck felt great, did great, and very consistent.
Multiple PBs.
Yeah, multiple PBs went out there right off the rip, and like Flick was saying about eliminating that half second in a shifter, we did just that.
Yeah, we got a short throw shifter, got it put in. We showed y'all at the beginning of the video. And let me tell you, I think that was the biggest change other than the tires. Like I said before, there was a half second wasted in that shifting, and now it's way better. It's night and day. I don't have to worry about the 2-3 shift anymore. I just do it. And then the tires help tremendously. If you look in the video, it's wrinkling that tire pretty good.
And I also think we pulled that front driver tire last hit. Go check it out. Tell us what you think in the comments. Blake's not sure, but I don't know, I may be a little biased, but I think we pulled that tire.
And in the coming videos, we're gonna get that motor pulled out of there, and we're gonna freshen it up, just do some rings and some gaskets and stuff. The rest of the gaskets that we didn't do, and get it ready for the sniper and nitrous. But so in the next couple videos, y'all see us pull that motor out, freshen it up, and then getting it put back in there, getting the sniper on, getting out to the track, making some hits just on the sniper, and then after that, she should be ready for some nitrous, freshened up with the sniper on there. She's gonna,
Oh yeah.
we're gonna get into that. We're gonna get into the 13s with the sniper easy, because we're only 2/10 off, and then after that with some nitrous, hopefully we can break into a low 12.
Oh yeah.
And we might end up changing the rear gear. We've been kind of tossing around that idea, but we'd like to put a 411 back in it, so that'll probably be coming in the future too, but we'll see.
Until then, you guys like, comment, subscribe, share. We appreciate all of it. But yeah, we're gonna head on back towards Charleston, and we'll pick y'all up in another video when we start to freshen this thing up.
See you in the garage.